Chickpea and apricot tagine with garlic couscous and creamy lemon sauce. So, sorry about the way the playthrough looks. It seems to be a little rough, but moral of the story is, if you want to check out the steps, make sure you pause at the beginning of the video. So, first thing as usual, we're washing and drying the produce. Zesting and quarter a lemon will come here in a little bit. Then you're going to peel and finely chop the garlic, which I kind of do as needed with a garlic press. So then you see what I'm doing there is trimming and having the zucchini. And then we've got some action with the onion. Also with the chickpeas, you want to drain and rinse them. That's not really shown here. And when I get to the cilantro, you'll see me roughly chopping that as well. So in a little bit, you're going to see a little bowl. Inside that is the sour cream, lemon zest, some lemon juice, and a pinch of garlic with just a little bit of water, salt, and pepper. And that's going to be the little sauce that we drizzle on at the very end. So meanwhile, you also have a pan in the back corner. I'm going to heat some butter in that, about 2 tablespoons of butter with some garlic before putting the couscous in. And that's going to cook for about 6 to 8 minutes. And in the meantime, we're also going to add some water, some stock concentrate, and some salt to all of that. So as you can see, I'm mixing that little sauce up now. And I had to actually light my burner because I just have an extremely unreliable stove. So as I was describing, that's all the things that just happened there with that back pan. So while the couscous is cooking, I'm heating some oil, throwing the zucchini, onion, salt, and pepper in on top. And then that spice that I just showed was a Tunisian spice. So lots of different things go into that. And we threw in some garlic, and that's cooking for 7 to 10 minutes or so before we add some water, the remaining stock concentrate, and we stir in the chickpeas. So what I'm actually doing here is I realized that my utensils weren't the right size, so I transferred the stuff I had already cooked into some Tupperware to keep it warm, and then I moved everything into the bigger container. So now I'm plating. In case you didn't realize what I had done there with the chickpeas, I threw in some apricots, the cilantro, more butter, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. And now that is what it looks like. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.